There's an old mason jar. It's an Atlas strong shouldered mason, I think, sticking out of the bank here. Looks nice. It's all there, folks. First find of the day, Atlas strong shouldered mason. I get a cap to fit it. Nice find for free. Later, folks. All right, right back in there. I got a bottle I only have one of. It's an embossed Barq's root beer, and it's 12 ounce. And it says the Dr. Pepper Bottling Company, Bellaire, B-E-L-L-A-I-R-E, Ohio. Really nice condition. It's embossed all over it. Nice find. Later. It's horrible conditions today. It's like raining, and it's about 31, I'd guess. But I came up to try to find some marbles where I found them before, and baby, I got one, and it looks really nice. It's right there. Right here. It's beautiful colors. Let me get it cleaned off later. Well, that's a pretty one. Orange, yellow, and blue and white. It's a nice marble. Later. All right, you can see that layer I'm digging in. I got a marble here. It's like a Clorox or something. But right here's the marble. Ooh, it looks really nice. It's a blue base with a, oh, this is nice. Let me get it cleaned off later. Well, folks, I did it again. This is beautiful. It's clear red, like blood red on a blue multicolored base. It's got clear in it. It's really nice. I'd say it's a Christensen. It's a beautiful marble. It's an old one too. Later. All right, I gotta find it again. Daggone it. Oh, down here. I came up here with the hopes of finding a few marbles. I got a few marbles and a milk. And look here. It's got embossing on the bottom, and that's milk sized. Let's see. It's got a lot of pressure. Oh, it's embossed. Oh, it's embossed all over. Let me get it cleaned off. This is a day maker. This is why I came. I'll be right back after I get it. Later. Alright, just says HLZ on the bottom. And it's the HL Ziegenfelder. Z-I-E-G-E-N-F-E-L-D-E-R Dairy. Has a Z up there. And on the bottom, Wheeling, West Virginia. This has to be like a $60 to $75 milk. I've never even heard of it nor seen it. It might be one of the few existing. It is nice. Man, it's a month maker. With all them other Wheeling milks I got, day maker indeed, folks. Later. Alrighty, I'm back. Got a whole bag full of stuff. Lots of newer Atlas Masons. They're Anchor Hocking ones. Strong shouldered mason. There's a Sistersville Art Deco Seder right there, blue bottle. Some slick milks. I got that Barq's root beer right there. There's a ball mason I didn't show. Got these two nice marbles. And the find of the day is that milk. I'm extremely happy. I've got a heck of a nice collection of Wheeling milks just from the past couple months. Found like 6 different ones. This is awesome. Ziegenfelder. Never heard of it, and it's got to be rare. HLZ on the bottom. This is just absolutely awesome. Except it's got a seal, a blank seal up there. It might even say more stuff on it. I'll have to look. But this is really nice. A rare Wheeling milk, and it's flawless. There's no cracks or chips anywhere. Man. Well, anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I'll show you some pictures of some of my dump finds after this. Recent ones. Later.